Alright, let's get our, actually move this stuff. Got the piston ready. Clips. They do have some nice machine work. Intake. That's actually old. Do our oiler ring. And so our gap is somewhere right there. Put a gap right by that line there. Sometimes these are marked, sometimes they're not. These usually are never marked. So I'm going to put this gap over here. These rings are usually pretty flexible, so these aren't the ones that usually get broke. You don't want to scar up the side of your cylinder, so take your time. So I've got that gap there, that one's there. I'm going to put the other one here. And a lot of times these may have an oil port on them anyway, so it really wouldn't matter a whole lot. Drilled from underneath, which these do. So next one's your dark black ring. Be this one. This one's got your shiny edge on it, and these are usually marked. So this one's your scraper ring. So my last scrape hole was here. I'm gonna put this one here. I'm gonna try and do this without scratching your piston up. I'm pulling these rings this way as I'm doing that. That way I don't scratch up my piston. Alright. On these you can just pretty much push the first one in. Then go back and flip it around the other way if you can get your finger in there. Or just run your dowel through it. It'll seat. You should be able to hear it clip. Like that. And pull our pin back out. So dip it in oil. Alright. So that's prepped and ready to go. We can just put our other clip in. I'm gonna get my rod a little oily. Here's where that spot was. Make sure we do the intake to the intake. So that's in there now. I like to leave the paper towel. Guess that was a lot easier. Alright. I also need to retrieve my timing chain. Apparently it has fallen. I'm gonna leave that there for now. I need to find that timing chain. Make sure it's still on my wheel down there too. Alright. Get my base gasket on here. Put my timing chain over there. Drop it on my guide pins. Just like so. And for now, I'll put a piece of paper towel right there, so if there's any oil on my chain, I won't get it on my thingamajigger. Let's see if we can drop this over this piston. And then put those other thingamajiggers in. Without breaking our rings. Usually you can just rotate and they'll go on okay. Ooh, don't go anywhere on me now. Okay. So, got that on. Still need to pull the timing chain through. GoPro stop paper towel out. And slide our cylinder down. Put the pins in. And I like to try and pull my piston up to top dead center. Alright. Let's get our gasket on. Not getting any oil on it. I see some kind of residue on there. Both our pins. Alright. There we go.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Is that one really squishy? The bacon? Mine looks really squishy. Hi.
Let's see if I can get this set on. Not getting everything all dirty.
No, stop.
Now the tricky part. Let's see. Gotta get my timing chain.
No, baby, no.
Without getting everything all dirty.
Where is on it? Okay, I don't want to I don't
Thing out to get my cam in, and I got that timing set. Wasn't easy. Rockers are down furthest away from your valves. Check my piston top dead center, and I got my dot up here at the top. And should bottom out. Alright, we need to get these valves set. Got some crap on there. 0.003 and 0.002. So let's see what we got here. We got our handy dandy filler gauges. There's 0.003. It actually fits, and we'll try the 0.4. It don't fit, so the exhaust is okay. You know, if you put it back and it's you had your 14 pounds on there, I mean technically you should be pretty close if it was done correctly before. So let's try the .002 over here. That's a little tight, so we'll back it off. Get that cover on. This valve cover sealed. Let's see if we can pull this carb off. Sometimes you're stuck in there. That was close, so that's good. However, it's actually stuck in there. You can see it's all kinds of stuff. That may be junk. My pit bike. Here's the carb I bought. And looky here. Man. Yeah, I think we're gonna run it. What y'all think? Cap off of there. There's part of what's left of it. Now hopefully that sits down and that's not gonna fit inside my cap. Uh-oh, we're in trouble. Sometimes when you take stuff apart, well, things happen. Yeah, that's the air box. So I'm just gonna guess we'll probably need an air filter. And welcome to Noah's Ark. I'm not making this stuff up.
Why?
That's a
lot of acorns.
Huh?
That's a lot of acorns.
Yeah. They you get little squirrels and mice that'll come in through your top of your air box here, and they'll do stuff like that. But that one's pretty awesome. Let's get the light over here. So you can actually just see how wonderful that is. And check that out, guys.
Whoa.
You couldn't get any fuller.
Huh.
Pretty sweet. Okay, so we got a couple more things to do on this bike, but I didn't just plug the carburetor up and kick her over. All right. Good stuff there. GoPro.